For millennia, humanity has dreamt of Atlantis, a legendary city swallowed by the waves, a testament to hubris. But what if the legends got it wrong? What if Atlantis didn't sink, but merely adapted? Imagine. It's the year 3025. While our surface world grapples with climate change and energy crises, beneath the waves, an ancient civilization thrives. This is Atlantis. Not a ruin, but a submerged technocracy. Their cities, luminous giants of crystal and metal, are shielded by vast, impenetrable domes. Bioluminescent flora lights their streets, and colossal energy farms harvest the very currents of the ocean, fueling a society decades, perhaps even centuries, ahead of our own. This isn't just survival, it's a new evolution. But their existence is not without purpose beyond their own walls. From the crushing depths, Atlantis silently observes. Its advanced science, its unparalleled technology, now play a hidden hand in global geopolitics. Influencing, protecting, perhaps even subtly manipulating the surface world, always unseen. What secrets do they hold? What knowledge have they guarded for all these centuries? And what would happen if the world above finally discovered that Atlantis never truly fell?